Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Daiso this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started because there's quite a few things and there's a whole bunch of new things. So that's why I wanted to show you guys ASAP. So the first thing that I got was, I don't know if some of you guys haven't been there for a while. They have stamps and I have not picked up a stamp because I have a lot of stamps and there wasn't one that I really liked. However, this is a new one and I really like this because you guys know I love tea and boba. I love tea and boba. So this, oh look at, it's an old coffee grinder. And this one just caught my eye. So I picked up this one, super cute. This one was $1.50. And then they had these really cute keychains. And they're not for me. I'm going to gift them. And I thought these were super cute. I had to get a few of them. They have these and it says Punya key ring. And it's by Daiso. And sorry for the glare. Look at how cute. This one says Wonder Time Magic and Fancy Swan Dream. But what it is it's a keychain right here. Here's the little ball chain. And then I'm trying to show you guys so you don't get the glare. It has like a little jelly, I would say, like star in it. So it's supposed to be like a gummy bear but a star gummy in a candy wrapper. So I thought that was super cute. So I picked it up in these two colors for the stars. They do have different colors, but I picked up just these two. And then they also had hearts. So they had more colors in the hearts than they did in the stars. So we have this one. This is like a blue with a pink. Oh, wait. Okay, well, this is another color of the star. So you have these three colors. And in the heart, they have this like mint green one with this heart jelly. And the star and the jelly have glitter. So I thought that was super, super adorable. So I picked up that one in that color. And then they had it in this blue on blue. And they had it on this pink on pink. And I think these just came out because I was just there a few days prior. And it was like empty shelves and there wasn't anything. So I'm glad that I went. I usually do my Daiso rounds either during the week at lunchtime or on Fridays after work because I kill time on the way home because I get off early on Fridays and I stop by the Daiso that's closest in between my work and home. So yeah, I scored. And then they had this purple one, super cute. So I thought that was so cute. And then I also found these cute little like shakers charms or keychains. So what you could actually do is if you can make a dangle out of this. You can take this key ring off if you wanted to and just add this to a project, or you can actually what I've done in the past was make a keychain dangle. So you can add beads to this. Look at how cute. So I got that one, and then I got this one, which was super cute. It has yellow stars. And then this last one is a purple bunny. And that's super cute. So I was happy with my purchases this weekend. Okay, now new to the bags. These are super new. I haven't seen this one. I'm not that much into Hello Kitty, or not Hello Kitty, but Mickey Mouse. But I saw these, and these were so cute because they were just like the Mickey Mouse heads, and these are really small. And see that in my hand. There's 30 pieces. Is it 30 pieces? Yeah, there's 30 pieces. There's no gusset, and then there's the dimensions. So I thought that was cute. And then I picked up this. I don't know if you saw my last Daiso haul. They had these little boxes that look like UPS boxes or shipping boxes. Well, they have it in this baggie, and it's kind of like an iridescent color. And that's what it looks like. It's clear, so you can see through it. So this looks like kind of like the box, but paper. So I picked that up, and this is super cute. This is like one of their new Ziploc bags, and it has little bears on it. And the bears holding like different types of like cookies or treats. Pick that up. And then this one is super adorable. This one's new. Haven't seen this one before. There's 5 pieces in here, and he's holding a little like a heart cookie. And it's like bitten right there, and then he has crumbs on his mouth. Super adorable, got that. And then like their new line of their little baggies, they have this. This is a flat paper bag. That's what it looks like. It has no gusset. And it's like a, what do you call those things? Nintendos? Is that what it's called? The play something. The Nintendo play something. The old school one. You guys know what I'm talking about for those of you who are around my age. So there's that one. That's the plastic bag. And then here's a little zipper bag. And that's what it looks like right there. And then this one is the same thing, but this is clear in the front, so you could actually see through it. This one was really cute. So that's what that is. And then they had one with the handles. So super cute. And this next one is like, they're like strawberry treats, I'm guessing. Oh no, not strawberry, like strawberry and milk type deal. Merged together. Strawberry and milk merged together. So there's this one. This is sticker flakes, and it comes in this really cute packaging. And there's 40 pieces, and these are the different stickers that are in there. So there's that one. And then they had these cute little die cut clear bags. And that's what it looks like. So it comes with these here, the ties. You can bunch it up to look like a strawberry. So they had like this pink one. This is like a dark pink, and then they had a red. So pick that up. They had a few new gift bags. Super cute. Let's see. It's the same thing front and back, and then that's what the inside gusset looks like. It's that one. And then this one, these have like a little sparkle in them, if you can see. Super cute. And then there's this one. See, this one has strawberries and like some milk dripping. Can't even talk this morning. So those are the 2. Okay. And then some more Ziploc type bags. There's these small ones. This one's like a darker pink. And then this is a lighter pink. Super cute. There's that one. And then this is a clear gusset bag. And it comes with stickers here. And that's what it looks like. So it kind of looks like a lunch bag. There's that one. This is a darker pink. And then I got it in this like lighter pink. And this one has purple in it. And this one has white in it. So this is like the same thing, basically, but just different colors. So there's that. And then these are adorable, you guys. These are some more zipper bags. Look at how cute. So again, this one has like a darker pink. And then this one has like a lighter pink. I don't know if you could tell the difference, but they look kind of the same. This one has like purple and this one has pink. There's that. And then this one here is another handle bag. Look at how cute. Look at that little teddy bear and the hearts. So there's that. And then, what else? And then they have like these little gift boxes. So this comes with the little paper shred inside. It has a little tag, and this is like the clear cellophane to wrap it up in. It's a tray kit. So that's what it's supposed to look like right there. And then this is what it looks like all the way around. So take that. And then they had these little boxes, and these are super cute. So they had 2 colors. They had, of course, the lighter pink and then the darker pink. And there's like a window here, but on the top they have like little handles. So it's like little box with a handle. And I thought that thought was super cute. They had so much cute stuff. I know they probably are going to bring new stuff in because there was a lot of empty shelves. So I have to wait a couple days before I go back, before my husband kills me. So, and then there's this little clear box. This is cute. So I picked up one of these. Here it goes. Clear gift box. So I got that. And then last but not least, I got this little box. It is a clear round box. And comes with the shred again. And then I'm not sure if this is a tag or what. But this is what it looks like. It has a top. And that is it, you guys. So go check out, for those of you who have a Daiso, go check it out. And I briefly saw something on Instagram where they said that they have more things online. I guess there's like different sites. There's like a bulk site that you can buy in bulk or individually. I'm not sure. I didn't really read it because it like was on my Instagram story. So I saw it once and then I couldn't find it again. So check out your local Daiso. So I hope everybody will have a great weekend, and I should be back with another video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.